Pull it closer to you.
Bad.
There you go. That's it. As you pull up, your chest goes through it. There you go. Feel your chest going forward as you pull the shoulder back. There you go. Good job, Erica. There you go. Good. Nice. There you go. Always feel that chest coming forward at the top. There you go. Nice. Nice. Good job right there.